Hi everyone, I'm the Traveling Prof. Welcome back to the channel. In today's Russian Word of the Day video, day number 59, we are going to learn a favorite word, I'm sure, for almost everybody, dessert. If you want to ask someone for that sweet thing at the end of the meal, you better know how to ask for dessert.
Десерт. Десерт.
You probably noticed that the d and the s in this word are softer than what you would expect them to be if they were just in English. The middle part of your tongue should be towards the roof of your mouth, and the tip of your tongue should be going towards your bottom teeth. If you say the letters d and s like this, you will be much closer. Dessert. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Десерт. Десерт.